To find the limit of this one, if you plug in x as 2, x plus 3 becomes 2 plus 3, which is 5. 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, so you have 0 over 0, which is an indeterminate form. So we will try to simplify this expression before we plug in the values of x. If you notice, x minus 2 is in the denominator and in the numerator. So that can be taken as a common factor and we can cancel them out. X minus 2 and x minus 2 can be cancelled out. Now you are left with limit x approaching 2, x plus 3. This expression cannot be simplified any further. So now you plug in x for 2. So x plus 3 becomes 2 plus 3, which is 5. When you plug in x for 2, then you no longer have to write limit x going to 2, this expression, in the next line. So just 2 plus 3 is acceptable and 5 is your solution. In this case, I don't see any common factors right away. So we will try to factor this polynomial, the numerator. If you remember the rules of factoring, you are trying to find two numbers that will multiply to become 20, and the same two numbers, when added, should give you minus 9. Those two numbers are minus 4 and minus 5. They multiply and become 20, they add up to become minus 9. So I will simplify by factoring the top. So minus 9 can be broken down into minus 5x, which is this number, and minus 4x, which is this number, plus 20 over x minus 4. I will write limit x going to 4 again, and between the first and the second term, x is a common factor. It comes out, and inside the bracket we have x minus 5. Between minus 4 and 20, minus 4 is a common factor. So in the bracket we have x minus 5 over x minus 4. The next step, we write limit x approaching 4 again, and the top can now be combined as x minus 4 times x minus 5 over x minus 4. And now that we have factored the top, you notice that x minus 4 is present in the numerator and in the denominator. So you can cancel them out, and now we can plug in the values of x because this expression cannot be simplified any further. So we plug in x for 4, and when you plug x for 4, you no longer need to write limit x approaching 4. So we have 4 minus 5 or minus 1 as the final answer. If you understand this, can you try this expression? Let me know your answer in the comment below.